50 years ago, frogs started disappearing from the environment. Scientists investigated several theories, but ultimately a newly discovered fungus was found to be wiping them out. It's called the amphibian chytrid fungus, and it is responsible for the extinction of over 90 species worldwide, and is the key threat to the survival of the iconic southern Corroboree frog. See, while chytrid is present in the environment, the Corroboree frog cannot survive. Now, functionally extinct in the wild, the Corroboree frog population is maintained solely through conservation breeding. So my research aimed to develop captive breeding strategies that can promote disease adaptation. I am working to identify the genetic features of disease resistance. So targeting these features will allow us to selectively breed frogs which are innately more resistant to the amphibian chytrid fungus. So one day, Corroboree frogs can survive in the wild once more.